Some girls are born into elegance. Others wear it like armor. In a country where class decides everything, where your last name, your address, your shoes, can open doors or lock them forever. One girl, brilliant and bold, dared to walk through the gates of a world that wasn't hers. Her name was Anna, and this is her story. In the rising sun of Port-au-Prince, a woman pushes through the crowd with baskets in both hands. Her skirt is worn, her face tired, but her eyes still burning with purpose. This is Yolande, a Madame Sarah. She doesn't sell just fruit, she sells sacrifice, one mango at a time. By candlelight, she counts her money, fold by fold, coin by coin, not for rent, not for food, but for a dream. Her daughter, Anna. Anna walks through the gates of the most prestigious private school in the country. Uniform crisp, shoes shining, head high. The guards nod, the teachers smile. The other girl whisper, "She's too perfect, too confident. Who does she think she is?" But Anna doesn't flinch, because every step she takes is one her mother paid for, with sweat, with hunger, with silence. In class, the teacher writes a difficult equation on the board. No one answers. Then, Anna stands. She walks to the front, takes the chalk, and solves it, flawlessly. The teacher blinks, then nods, impressed. The girls glance at each other. One clap. Emmanuel. From the back of the room, he watches her, smiling. And in the row behind Anna, another girl watches too. Her name is Jessie. They used to share the same tap-tap. They used to dream together. But lately, Jessie dreams of something else. Attention, recognition, and Anna seems to have taken it all. Emmanuel, rich, handsome, the son of a powerful political family. He arrives in a black SUV with tinted windows and bodyguards. The girls melt. But today, his eyes don't scan the crowd. They land on her, Anna. She pretends not to notice, but the flutter in her chest, it betrays her. Soon Anna starts getting invites. Mansion parties in Pétionville, swimming pools, champagne, laughter. The rich dance without worry. Their problems are imported. Their secrets, well-dressed. Anna wears the same pair of heels to every event, but she wears them like diamonds. Emmanuel never leaves her side. And the girls, they watch, they whisper, they plot. Jessie smiles, but something dark moves behind her eyes. One day, she follows Anna home. A tap-tap slows near a street filled with potholes. Jessie leans forward, watching. Anna steps off. Same uniform, same grace. But now, she's barefoot. Her mother runs out to greet her. They hug. And Jessie? She takes a photo. In a world that worships status, one picture can shatter everything. They used to clap for her. Now, they look away. The photos spread faster than gossip in the market. Anna, barefoot, hugging her Madame Sarah mother. Some laughed, others whispered, "She fooled us. She doesn't belong here." What else is she hiding? In the classroom, no one asks her to solve anything now, not even the teachers. And Jessie? She walks in with a smile that doesn't reach her eyes. "You lied," she says quietly, "and you left me behind." But Anna never said she was rich. She just stopped apologizing for being brilliant. Emmanuel hasn't said a word. Anna stares at herself in the mirror. The dress is new, shiny, elegant, too tight in the chest. "You sure about this one?" Yolande asks gently. "I can't wear the same thing again," Anna snaps. "They already think I'm nothing." Yolande looks down. "We didn't even eat yesterday, so we could afford this." Anna's hands pause. Then slowly she turns. "I just want one night, Manman. One night to feel like I belong." Yolande sighs, then zips her daughter up with trembling fingers. "Then go. But go knowing who you are, not who they want you to be." Anna nods. She picks up the borrowed clutch and walks out the door. Meanwhile, the mansion buzzes with preparation. Another weekend, another party. Staff clean the marble floors. A chef slices imported meat. Designers arrive with gowns for Emmanuel's mother. Security checks every guest list, twice. This isn't a home, it's a compound. This isn't wealth, it's power. ministers, judges, CEOs. They will all be here. In the grand dining room, beneath a gold chandelier, the family sits around a long, polished table. Crystal glasses, imported wine, Emmanuel, his mother, his father, his older brother, his younger sister. This girl, this Anna, his mother says sharply, she's beneath you. Emmanuel doesn't answer. He cuts his steak, slowly, jaw clenched. We've already spoken to the LeBron family, she continues. Their daughter is educated. Connected. From our world, his brother laughs. You always liked the LeBron girl, remember? His sister adds, she speaks 5 languages, hosts charity balls. The mother smiles. Now that is a future first lady. The father raises his glass. You want to lead this country, son? You don't do that with mangoes and tap-taps at your side. Laughter. Behind the double doors, Anna freezes. She wasn't supposed to hear that, but now she has, every word. That night, Anna gets an invite, a final party, the biggest one of the year. She almost deletes it, but then she puts on her best dress, the new one, the one they couldn't afford, and walks. The mansion is alive with violins and laughter. Girls in silk gowns, boys in tailored suits, glasses full, mouths fuller, and then silence. Anna enters. Heads turn, some gasp. Others sneer. Emmanuel sees her, but before he can move, Jesse steps up. Look who decided to join us. Don't worry, we know where you're really from now. The crowd tightens. Eyes, phones, whispers. Emmanuel finally walks over. The music cuts. He looks at Jesse, then at Anna, and speaks. You think she's the liar? When all she ever did was survive? You mock the daughter of a woman who wakes before dawn to feed people like you. If you're looking for elegance, look at how she's standing here now. Anna doesn't cry. She lifts her chin and smiles. I don't need anyone to defend me, she says. Not anymore. She turns and walks away, past the marble, past the stairs, past Emmanuel, into the night, into her truth. And behind her, Emmanuel watches and smiles. Some girls are born into elegance, others become it. If this story moved you, if it reminded you of your own mother's sacrifice, or the masks we sometimes wear just to survive, leave us a comment. Tell us, was Anna right to walk away? Would you have stayed for love or walked away for dignity? We'd love to hear your thoughts. What would you have done? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like the haves and the have-nots. Stories of truth, class, beauty, and power. Until next time, remember, some girls are born into elegance, others become it.